Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were discussing exercise 4.3, okay, and in that exercise we have discussed the questions, we were discussing the statement sums, okay, and now we have done already up to question number 12 from exercise 4.3, and today I'm going to start with a few more sums from the same, okay. So the next question is question number 13 from exercise 4.3. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 40, that is 4.3, okay. So exercise is 4.3 and the sum we are going to start is, okay, the question we will start is question number 13. Okay, so let's see what is given in question number 13. A shopkeeper has 27,040 oranges. He sold 12,285 on Monday and 9,806 on Tuesday. Okay, how many oranges does he have now? Okay, so here they have said कि एक शॉपकीपर के पास बेटा उन्होंने टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस दिए हुए हैं, दैट इज 27,040. So 27,040 is the total number of oranges that a shopkeeper is having. Okay, उसमें से उसने मंडे में, okay, so he has sold some oranges on Monday and some of the oranges he has sold on Tuesday. So the oranges sold on Monday is 12,285. So this is the number of oranges that he had sold on Monday and 9,806 on Tuesday. और Tuesday को उसने 9,806 oranges हैं जो बेचे. Now we need to find out how many oranges does he have now. कि अब उसके पास कितने oranges हैं ये हमें ढूंढना है. ओके, तो देखिए बेटा क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है कि टोटल ऑरेंजेस आर गिवन, ऑरेंजेस सोल्ड ऑन मंडे इज गिवन, ऑरेंजेस सोल्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे इज गिवन, एंड नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट the oranges that are left after selling some of the oranges on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, तो देखिए टोटल ऑरेंजेस में से मंडे में भी कुछ सेल किए गए हैं एंड ट्यूसडे को भी. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग द लेफ्ट ओवर ऑरेंजेस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी विल ऐड. तो देखिए अगर हमें लेफ्ट जितने बचे हुए ऑरेंजेस है उसको निकालेंगे, क्या करना होगा, टोटल ऑरेंजेस में से हमें नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस दैट आर सोल्ड ऑन मंडे एंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस दैट आर सोल्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे विल बी डिडक्टेड. उसमें से डिडक्ट करेंगे, उसमें से माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस आ जाएंगे. करेक्ट. तो जैसे कि बेटा अभी हमने प्रीवियस 2 सेशंस में मैंने आपको बताया है कि दैट इन दिस सम यू नीड टू डू द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो एडिशन हम सेम नंबर साइंस वाले नंबर्स की करते हैं, जिन नंबर्स के आगे सेम साइन होता है उनको हम ऐड करते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन हियर. So that is given here is total oranges. Okay, so this is given here, that is total oranges are given. Total oranges is equal to 27,040. 27,040. So this is the total number of oranges. Next, oranges sold on Monday. Next is oranges sold on Monday. Oranges sold on Monday is 12,285. That is 12,285. So this is the number of oranges that are being sold on Monday. Next is oranges sold on Tuesday. The next is oranges sold on Tuesday is given oranges sold on Tuesday is 9,806. So this is 9,806. So this is the number of oranges that are being sold on Tuesday. Next देखिए, now we need to calculate according to the question how many oranges does he have now or how many oranges left. तो हम दोनों, आप दोनों में से कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, oranges left या oranges he have now. So whatever you want to write you can. Okay, so I'll just write down oranges left with him. Oranges left with him. Oranges left with him. अब उसके पास कितने oranges बचे. So देखिए, इसको निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे. So we will subtract the oranges sold on Monday and Tuesday from the total number of oranges. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे. 27,040 minus 12,285 minus 9,806. So this is what we are going to do now. So we are going to subtract 12,285 and 9,806 from total oranges, that is 27,040. अब इसमें से इसको हम क्या करेंगे, subtract. Clear? Now अब देखिए, मैंने आपको अगर याद होगा जो हमने कल डिस्कस किए थे क्वेश्चंस, ओके, इन द वीडियो, तो उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स दिए होते जिसमें से 2 सब्ट्रैक्शन के हैं, एक हमारा एडिशन का. अभी एडिशन का कैसे है, क्योंकि इसके आगे कोई साइन नहीं है, सो वी विल टर्म इट एज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर. सो दिस 27,040 इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर, वेयर एज 12,285 एंड 9,806 इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर. सो देखिए, अब इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो इन स्पाइट ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इट वन बाय वन, एक एक करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करने की बजाय हम क्या करेंगे, पहले हम दोनों जो सब्ट्रैक्शन वाले नंबर है और द नंबर्स विद सेम साइन, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, द नंबर्स विद सेम साइन जो होते हैं उनको हम ऐड करके उसको टोटल में से क्या कर देंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स ऐड द नंबर्स विद सेम साइन, दैट इज 12,285 प्लस 9,806. ओके, तो सेम साइन के सम्स को हम ऐड करेंगे, नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. 12,285 प्लस 9,806. So let's add them both. Okay, इसको ऐड करिए. So देखिए, इसके नीचे here we can put 0. अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे नंबर मिसिंग है, so you can put 0 at place of that. So 5 plus 6, 11, 1, another 1 will be carried next. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 will be carried. 2 plus 9, 11, plus 1, that is 12. 1 will be carried next. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, this is 2. So total oranges sold on Monday and Tuesday. तो मंडे और ट्यूसडे दोनों दिन के अगर हम नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस जो कि सोल्ड किए गए हैं, बेचे गए हैं, इफ वी कैलकुलेट दैट, सो यू विल गेट 22,091. So this is the total number of oranges that are being sold on Monday and Tuesday. Now what we need to find is, we need to find the oranges left. Okay, हमें ढूंढने क्या है, oranges left with him. So अब total oranges में से हम इन दोनों का जो total आया है वो subtract कर देंगे. So you can get the total number of oranges that are left with the shopkeeper. So let's subtract 27,040 minus 22,091. Okay, so let's subtract it. 0 minus 1 not possible, so it will borrow from here, it will become 3 and this will become 10. Okay, so वैसे ही borrow करके कैरी फॉरवर्ड करके एडिशन या और borrow करके सब्ट्रैक्शन जो हम करते हैं वैसे ही करेंगे. 10 minus 1, 9, 3 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 9 from 3? No, so 3 is going to borrow from its previous number, but the previous number is also 0. So what is next? So 0 is going to borrow from 7. So when it will borrow from 7, it will become 6 and this will become 10. बट जब इससे ये कैरी दे देगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा अल्टीमेटली 9 एंड दिस विल बिकम 13. तो देखिए ये सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन है बेटा जो आपको करनी है. 13. ओके 13 minus 9 4, 9 minus 0 9, 6 minus 2 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the oranges left with the shopkeeper is 4,949. So this is the oranges that are being left with the shopkeeper. Question tha how many oranges does he have now? Therefore he has 4,900 foreign oranges with him now. Therefore, so this will be our solution sentence. So question ke according we are going to write the solution sentence. So now write it down. Therefore he has 4,949 oranges with him now. So therefore he has 4,949 oranges with him now. अब उसके पास 4,949 oranges हैं. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve it. देखिए this is addition, this is subtraction. Okay, so you all are very well aware of it that how to do the addition and subtraction. So you are going to do, you can do it yourself. So but the important thing is the statement. So kindly write it very carefully. So whenever you write a statement, write it very carefully. So I just read out one more time. Total oranges, that is 27,040. Oranges sold on Monday, that is 12,285. Oranges sold on Tuesday is 9,806. Next, oranges left with him. So how many oranges are left with him? That we will calculate after subtracting the oranges sold on Monday and Tuesday from the total number of oranges. So after adding the oranges that are being sold on Monday and Tuesday, we got 22,091, and now we are going to subtract this 22,091 from the total number of oranges, and after subtracting it we got 4,949, and this is the number of oranges that are being left with the shopkeeper. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 13. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, and kindly note it down very clearly in your notebooks. Okay, moving next to the question number 14. Okay, from the same exercise 4.3. So now we will move to the next question. The next is question number 14. Okay, from 83,025 meter long wire, two pieces measuring 38,239 meter and 23,728 meter were cut off. Find the length of remaining wire. Okay, तो कहते हैं एक लंबी सी वायर थी. The length of that wire was 83,025 meter. This is the length of that long wire. उसमें से दो अलग अलग small pieces की वायर काट दी गई, and the measurement of those small wires are also given, that is 38,239 meter and 23,728 meter. Okay, find the length of remaining wire. तो अब कितनी वायर बची देखिए. Suppose this is a long wire of 20 meter. Okay, इसमें से कुछ वायर काट दी गई. Okay, इतनी से इतनी काटी गई. This is 7 meter. This is being cut. Okay, next is 5 meter. ये भी एक वायर काट दी गई. तो एक 7 मीटर की और एक 5 मीटर की वायर निकाल दी गई टोटल वायर ऑफ 20 मीटर की वायर से. सो नाउ हमें बताना है that how much meter of wire is left. कितनी मीटर वायर जो रह गई. तो देखिए टोटल 20 थी. अगर उसमें से हम 7 और 5 दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, माइनस कर देंगे, we can get the length of wire that is being left. Okay, so that's what we got here. So 20 minus 7 and 20 and 5. तो दोनों को अलग अलग माइनस करने के बजाय हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 7 + 5 दैट इज 12. So 20 minus 12 will be 8. So that means ये कितने मीटर वायर उसके पास लेफ्ट बची, that is 8 मीटर. टोटल वायर 20 मीटर थी, उसमें से 7 मीटर और 5 मीटर के दो पीसेस काट लिए गए और हमें बताना है कितनी बची, that is 8 मीटर. So same as it is we have to do in the question also. So the length of a very long wire is given and 2 pieces from that wire is being cut and we need to find out the wire left. Okay, so let's write down. From 83,025 meter long wire, 2 pieces measuring 38,239 meter, 23,728 meter were cut off. Find the length of remaining wire. So first of all, the information that is already given, first of all we are going to write that. So first let's write down. So length of wire, total length of wire, the first is total length of wire. Total length of wire is 83,025 meter. 83,025 meter. So this is the total length of wire. Next, अब जो दो पीसेस काटे हैं उनकी लेंथ लिखेंगे. Length of first piece of wire. Length of first piece of wire. Length of first piece of wire is equal to, the length of first piece of wire is 38,239 meter. 38,239 meter. 38,239 meter. Okay, next, length of second piece of wire. अब second piece है जो wire का, उसकी length कितनी है? That is 23,728 meter. 23,728 meter. So this is the length of second piece of wire. Now we need to calculate the length of remaining wire. Okay, so लिखिए length of remaining wire. Length of remaining का मतलब क्या होता है क्लास? remaining means बचा हुआ. Okay, length of remaining wire is equal to, so जो remaining wire है उसकी length निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to subtract the length of first piece of wire and second piece of wire from the total length of wire. So as we have done in the previous 3 questions, so just like that we need to do it in here as well. So चलिए, so total length is 83,025 minus 38,000, just a second, 38,239 minus 23,728. Okay, so we need to subtract it. चलिए, now we need to find the length of remaining wire. अब बाकी बची हुई जो wires हैं उनकी length हमें find out करनी है. So let's find it. देखिए 83,025 minus 38,200, sorry, I have just written that. तो देखो हमारे पास 2 subtraction के हैं and 1 of addition. So हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों subtraction वालों को अलग ऐड करेंगे and then जो उसका आंसर आएगा as we have done in the previous question, so the answer will be subtracted from the total length of wire. So let's add these two, 38,239 plus 23,728. So let's add it. Okay, so 9 plus 8, that is 17. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 7, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will be carried next. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, that is 6. So the total length of the wire, first and the second piece of wire, देखिए 61,967 क्या है? This is the total length of the both piece of wire. तो दोनों जो piece of wire की अलग अलग लेंथ थी उनको हमने इकट्ठा टोटल कर दिया, तो दोनों पीस में टोटल मिला के कितनी वायर कट हुई है? दैट इज 61,967 meter. Now from this 61,967 meter, we are going to we will subtract this from the total length of wire. Okay, so let's subtract it. 83,025 minus 61,967. ओके, तो माइनस करेंगे कैरी करके फॉलो करके. सो 5 minus 7 not possible, so 5 will borrow from 2. 2 will become 1 and 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7, that will be 8. Okay, 1 minus 6. So can we subtract 6 from 1? No, so it will borrow from here. But इसके पास already 0 है, so it will borrow from here. So 3 will become 2 and then 0 will become 10. अब 10 है, so now 1 can borrow from 10, so this will become 9 and this will become 11. Okay, so ये कैरी जो बेटा आप ऊपर लिखते हैं इसको आप अपने आप लिखेगा आराम से. 11 minus 6, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is the total length of wire or the remaining length of wire that. Okay, so हमारे पास remaining length of wire आ गई, that is 21,058. So this is the length of remaining wire. Question में दिया था length of remaining wire. Question है हमारा find the length of remaining wire. Therefore the length of remaining wire is 21,058 meter. Therefore length of remaining wire is 21,058 meter. Okay, so therefore the length of remaining wire is 21,058 meter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 14. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, चलिए, so try to do the calculation yourself, अपने आप करिए. Okay, just check your answers whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so with this we have completed question number 14. Okay, now we will move to the next question, that is question number 15. Chaliye, let's move to the next question, the last question of exercise 4.3, that is question number 15. Question number is 15 now. Question number 15 क्या है बेटा? देखिए, the population of a town is 82,010 if 43,413 are men, 25,929 are women and the remaining are children. Find the number of children. तो देखिए उन्होंने एक टाउन की पॉपुलेशन दी है. ओके, सो they have given a population of a town. Okay, so the total population is 82,010. So this is the total population. उसमें देखिए टाउन में क्या होगा? मेन होंगे, विमेन होंगे, बच्चे होंगे. तो उन्होंने टोटल पॉपुलेशन दिया हमें. उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या बताया था? द नंबर ऑफ मेन. उसमें द नंबर ऑफ मेन क्या है? टोटल में से जो number of men they have given, that is 43,413, and the number of women is 25,929. So now we need to calculate the number of children. तो हमें बच्चे कितने हैं उस टाउन में, हमें ये निकालना है. ओके, टोटल में से जब हम नंबर ऑफ मेन एंड नंबर ऑफ विमेन सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, सो वी कैन इजिली गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन दैट आर लिविंग इन दैट टाउन. और ओके, चलिए, सो देखिए बिल्कुल एज इट इज लाइक द प्रीवियस सम इन दिस एज वेल. सो वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट टू थिंग्स. ओके, तो दो नंबर्स को हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसमें से. तो इसके लिए हम दो जो सब्ट्रैक्शन वाले उन दोनों को ऐड करके फिर उनके टोटल को हम, जो हमारा टोटल नंबर है उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. चलिए, सो लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. So first is total population. जो information दी है, first of all we will write that total population कितनी है? That is 82,010. Total population is equal to 82,010. Then number of men कितने हैं? That is number of men is equal to 43,413. 43,413. This is the number of men. Next, number of women. Number of women कितनी है? That is 25,929. 25,929. So this is the number of women. Next हमें निकालना क्या है? Number of remaining children. So number of children that we need to calculate. Number of children हमें निकालने है. देखिए, number of children निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा क्लास? So we need to subtract the number of men and women from total population of the city. Okay, so total population is 82,010 minus 43,413 minus 25,929. तो जब हम इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे दोनों को, so we can get the number of men and women. Okay, so let me just write it clearly. That is 82,010 minus 43,413 minus 25,929. तो चलिए निकालते हैं टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. 82,000. ओके, सॉरी. तो देखिए, अब हमारे पास दो नंबर्स है, मेन एंड वुमेन के हैं. ओके, टोटल पॉपुलेशन है. चिल्ड्रन के निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? मेन एंड वुमेन दोनों की पॉपुलेशन को टोटल पॉपुलेशन से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कैलकुलेट द सम ऑफ दीज टू, द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ मेन एंड वुमेन. सो 43,413 प्लस नंबर ऑफ वुमेन 25,929. ओके, ऐड करिए. 3 plus 9 12. 1 will be carried next. 1 plus 2 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 9 13. 1 will be carried next. 3 plus 5 8 plus 1, that is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the total number of men and women, is 69,342. Now let's calculate number of children by subtracting the number of men and women from total population. So total population 82,010 minus 69,342. Okay, so let's subtract it. 0 minus 2, not possible. 0 will go from here. This will become 0 now and this will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 0 minus 4, not possible. इसके next भी 0 है. So they will borrow from here. So this will become 1, this will become 10. But इससे भी ये borrow कर लेगा, it will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 1 minus 9, not possible, so it will borrow from here. This will become 7 and this will become 11. 11 minus 9, 2, 7 minus 6, 1. So the number of children in that village is 12,668. अब क्वेश्चन में लिखा है फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. सो द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हमें निकालने. देयरफॉर there are 12,668 children in that town. So therefore there are 12,668 children in that town. तो ये है हमारे अब number of children in that town. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 15. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. So along with that, I'm just ending the today's session here as well. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.